In this video, I will demonstrate how to remove a customer from an existing order. And as an example, let's use the order 1019. So in my case, you can see the order is associated with customer Nick, which has 9 orders in total. And the shipping is for the Victor and bill name is for the Nick. So in order to remove the customer from the order, simply look for the customer section, then press on the 3 dots. And then right here, you have an option to remove customer. And then once we confirm it, the order won't be tied to the customer name. So let's go back to orders. And as you can see, order 1019 basically has no customer. Now we can, of course, leave it as is, or we can assign or create another customer in our Shopify. So let's open the order one more time. Now let's click on the search in the customer field, and I don't have a customer name Victor, so let's go ahead and create one. So let's create new customer, and in order to create a customer in Shopify, all you need is a first name, last name, or an email. So let's be quite simple and just say Victor M. We'll leave email blank and then save customer. So we just created the customer, it's associated with this order, and let's see how it looks like in the order section right here. Yeah. So 1019 order is associated with the Victor M, and I believe the Victor M is also has been created in the customer section right here. So I hope you found this tip useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.